Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to regear Jeep Gladiator updated. Start by gathering tools, parts, and a service manual before lifting the vehicle. I walk through selecting the correct ratio for your tire size and intended use, inspecting axle components, and ordering bearings and seals. I also cover measuring backlash, checking gear pattern, and torquing bearings. Follow safety steps and plan for test drives and shimming adjustments after installation. Choosing the right gear ratio avoids sluggish acceleration or excessive RPM on the highway. I explain how to calculate effective tire diameter and how that interacts with common gear choices. We discuss trade-offs for daily driving versus trail crawling and towing, and why you might pick 488 versus 410 for specific tire setups. I also mention compatibility with transfer case and electronic calibration considerations during installation. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like for more Jeep tech and how-to videos. Quick recommendation: on another note, go darn tough for shop days because quality socks make greasy work more pleasant and they come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. I guide you step by step through disassembling the axle, removing the carrier, and preparing new ring and pinion gear sets. Learn how to set pinion depth, check backlash with a dial indicator, and paint gear teeth to read the pattern. I emphasize proper bearing per load, seal installation, and torque specs. Finally, I cover reassembly tips, break-in drives, and when to recheck backlash after initial miles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.